Hello friends, welcome to my new episode of my YouTube channel friends. Today I am going to tell about you the amazing launches which will be useful for daily life. Friends, my name is Santara and welcome to my channel and let's start the video. Friends, let's start. Friends, the first launcher is the Wii launcher. In this launcher, you can go. So friends, open your Play Store and search Wii 10. So from here there are many launchers so you can use it. Friends, the next launcher is the rolling icon. So friends, as soon as you chat, you can use in this ways, which is very amazing. It's about your gravity if you turn it all around. So I'm turning all around and it's moving on. You can see it. It's not just for the. If you wanted to open the apps, so you open just places. This is the thing. You can press it. So friends, the next launcher is the computer launcher. Friends, this launcher you can use as a Windows 10. How it's work? I think so. Even you has it. So friends, it's like same as a Windows 10. Here you will get the things and all your app applications, and here is likely to be. And friends, here is your device name, and here as a laptop or you can say as a computer it's working. So friends, this is as a launcher. If your phone is mobile is rotated, then you can use this launcher as a real computer. So friends, to use this launcher you have to go to your Play Store and type Windows Launcher 10. So friends, here there are many launchers as you can see. Friends, here there is a pay launcher here. So this launcher will cost you around 40 rupees, and if you wanted to use it free, this one, see by the focusly this launcher. So friends, I'm using this launcher for a long period of time in my owner of the smartphones. If you need as your phone should work in a Windows, so you can download the second launcher which you will search. So friends, these are the amazing launchers, and I hope that you like the video. If you like the video, like it, and don't forget to share. Thank you for watching the video.